today we're in Ayubia and we've escaped the heat from Islamabad, and it's quite pleasant here. And right now we're in Ayubia National Park and we're just away to see the Moto Tunnel. I said it right. It was built in 1891, so about 133 years ago. And I'm just wondering why it's called Moto Tunnel. I'm just thinking maybe it has a link with what you'd see normally on the motorways in the UK when you're traveling around and there's motorways and moto resting stations. So these areas were used by British back in the day to escape the heat, and they'd build this tunnel to join one part of this area to another while they were building water tunnels. Now, this area has been lying derelict for several years, just buried in heaps of rubbish. But recently it's been restored, just almost by accident. It was found when the local forestry commission were doing a forest run and they were planting some trees, and they found this lying hidden in the trash. So they have cleared the area and it's now open to public to come and explore. So this was built back when British were ruling subcontinent, and they built it in 1891 to use this area more effectively. But it's quite interesting to see that when you're visiting these areas, to see the history and the part of the remnants of those buildings which were built back in the day. And they've still stood the test of time as well. They've been around a long time. In Scotistani, we try and link the two cultures to connect the two countries and see that how we are sharing some part of our history together as well. The tunnel is 250 feet long, it's 6 feet high and 4 feet wide, and it's carved out of stones and clay. It is part of a longer nature pipeline walk, which is a walk through the forest in Ayubia National Park of Khyber, Pakhtunkhwa province. You can see part of the mountain. Can you see that? It's actually quite tiny. You can hear your echo as well. If you have an interest in history, especially British colonial history in Pakistan, this is a must-visit site. Hope you liked our video today. Please subscribe to YouTube Scotistani's channel, and when you get a chance, please comment, like and share our videos.